209.2 rear wheel kilowatts. What you're looking at here is a 2005 VZ SSZ Commodore sedan. It's got the 5.7 litre V8 in it. It's an automatic. And what we're going to do to it today is we're going to fit one of these things here, one of the VCM alloy OTRs. So we're going to put that on it. We're going to put a full pacemaker exhaust on it with some tri-wire headers. So we're basically going to take all this airbox off here, fit the new OTR over the front here, and yeah, we've got to take the full exhaust off and give it a tune. So what was that, 209? So out of that sort of modification, we'd probably be looking at getting around about 230, 240 rear wheel kilowatts. Yeah, so we'll see how we go and we'll get back to you when we're finished. Thank you. Bye.